Unimog build. Another little highlight on this thing. We've got it up off the ground and it's sitting on the torsion subframe in the truck itself. We've been plugging away at the chassis electrical. That includes the running lights and the tail lights, brake lights, all that good stuff. We've added the shore power inlet, and we made these light buckets here in the shop. We got a little porch light mounted up here. Got some LED light strips. These are the flex fire lights, and then we're using some special extrusions for it. Here's our voltage readout, and the lights themselves are on a dimmer and a moment switch. So this came out pretty nice. Here we've got the lounge cabinetry installed. We've got our main power switch hooked up, and then inside this cabinet we've got some of our electrical goodness. So there's a lithium ion battery and a red arc charge controller. And we've got our traditional power dynamics distribution center going on there. Down here we've got a USB outlet and a CO2 LP detector. Over here in the galley, we're just starting to assemble the plumbing. We've got our dometic range in place. It's not really installed yet. Countertop is in. Fridge is on the way. We've actually got some lights up here, some sconces mounted. And the windows are also installed over here. And these have the cool screen. See if I can do this with one hand. With the shade built in. So yeah, this build is coming along. Right now we're working on the holding tanks and all that good stuff underneath, and just plugging away. Hopefully we'll get the door installed and this back buttoned up in the coming weeks, and we'll follow up with another update of this pretty sweet build.